5G technology is on the cusp of revamping the way we communicate. It all began with analog cellular phones, which evolved to 2G digital phones with SMS and MMS features. The 3G revolution brought advancements in network and data transmission. 4G LTE technology made connectivity and data transfer even faster. Now, various companies are set to launch the next generation, and yes, it's 5G technology. Compared to 4G, 5G technology offers high-speed connection with higher data capacity. How much faster? 200 times faster. Its latency rate is also hundreds of times lower than that of 4G. According to the Consumer Technology Association, 5G will be commercially available throughout the United States, Europe, and Asia in 2019. Various networks and mobile companies have already launched 5G. They include Qualcomm, Verizon, at&t, SK Telecom, and Samsung. 5G technology will also bring us a network of self-driving cars. This will allow cars to send data to each other and connect with traffic lights, road sensors, and aerial drones in real time. This technology is also expected to disrupt healthcare services with real-time AI-assisted surgery, allowing surgeons to save lives by remotely conducting operations with robots acting as hands. Although it may take some time before 5G is fully integrated, the changes it promises to bring will make for some bold innovations.